In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build repeatable systems in Airtable to scale your operations. We'll walk through a clear setup you can reuse across clients and projects, so your team stays aligned and your workflows run consistently. First, open your Airtable base on desktop and log in. Choose the base where you want repeatable processes to live. This becomes your single source of truth. So pick a base that's dedicated to operations or scale work. Before building, identify the core processes you repeat most. Client onboarding, project management, task assignments, and reporting or approvals. The goal is to standardize what happens over and over so it's easy to automate, track, and hand off. Now, create your core tables. Set up a clients table to store client details, status, and communications. Add a projects table to organize milestones, timelines, and links back to clients. Use a tasks table for assignments, deadlines, and priorities. Include a deliverables table to attach files and track approvals. Finally, add a metrics or KPIs table to measure performance. Link related records so clients connect to projects, projects connect to tasks, and tasks connect to deliverables. Define structured fields to make everything consistent. Use single select fields for status or category, collaborator fields for ownership, date fields for deadlines, attachment fields for files, and formulas for calculations or conditional logic. Clear field types reduce confusion and make automations more reliable. Create standard views that mirror your workflow stages. Set up views for pending, in progress, and completed, plus focus views like high priority items or client-specific and team-specific boards. Views keep everyone looking at what matters most. Next, build automations. Automatically assign tasks when a new project is created, notify stakeholders as deadlines approach, and update statuses or metrics when a field's change. If you're new to Airtable or want to follow along, there's a link to the Airtable website at the top of the description, so you can set this up step by step. Apply conditional logic to make the system intelligent. Use formulas to highlight overdue or high priority work. Calculate project or task completion, and trigger notifications when specific conditions are met. This reduces manual effort and keeps standards consistent. For oversight, build dashboards using apps or summary views to monitor project progress, review task completion rates, and track KPIs. Dashboards give leaders and teams instant visibility. Test your system with sample clients, projects, and tasks. Confirm automations fire correctly, formulas calculate accurately, and dashboards reflect real data. Train your team on how to update records, follow processes, and use automations. Clear guidance prevents drift over time. Finally, maintain and scale by reviewing tables, automations, dashboards, and formulas periodically. Refine as your workflows evolve and your team grows. That's how you can build repeatable systems in Airtable to scale operations, automate workflows, and maintain consistency. Thanks for watching.